Figured I'd make a quick video on repacking the fan of one of these Imax B6 minis by SkyRC. As you can hear, the fan is seizing up, and I'd be ashamed to leave it because it's lasted so long, a couple of years anyway. Yeah, it's running pretty hot. So when it finishes charging, it balances the cells. We'll open it up and have a look at it. Yeah, so I haven't had a problem with this thing in years. But if I leave it, it'll probably die on me, which would suck. The PC link on this thing works pretty good too if you use your software. Last time I used it anyway. It's pretty clean inside. Just I didn't even notice that before. It's double heat sinked. I'll explain why it's lasted as long as it has. It's not just using the case, it's got another heat sink within. Huh. Cool. Anyway, the fan is the deal. So what we're gonna do is take it out to get access to the sticker on the back. And if I had to guess, it's just sleeve. Yeah, see, it's I think I've already been in this in the past. It looks like sleeve bearing. Okay, we're gonna try using some legitimate bearing grease. If I can get it open. There we go. Force it in. Yeah. There, we'll try that. See if it shuts it up. Yeah, for a while, what it was doing when it was cold, it would squeal, and then as it warmed up, it would stop. So, I stopped doing that a while ago. Now it just squeals, even when it's warm. If this doesn't do it, I'll probably swap it out with another one. I'm probably got other ones here, I'm sure, of that size. Box full of them. And there we go. Just saved myself a lot of headache. I always check to see if it'll actually spin, because it's not spinning. Double check it. Rub it on the wire on the inside, which I wouldn't have noticed. It's spinning. It's quiet. Yeah, it did it. That's it. Keep an eye on it, but what was that set at? Lipo. Yeah, that was a good idea. Wondering why I was going past 3.6. Yeah, it seems to be alright. Keep an eye on it. If not, I'll just swap it out. But that's basically how you do it. Just take the sticker off the back, pack it with a little bit of grease, and you're good to go. Later, guys.